a great comment here on whether am I using AI when it comes to research to investment. But perhaps even better than this comment would be to rephrase it a little bit and ask, when will AI take my job as investment manager and stock market researcher? And of course, yes, I am subscribed to ChatGPT. I will likely purchase the subscription also to Gemini, likely in January, and from there we'll go on. And when it comes to using ChatGPT, yes, it is a team of analysts that I can ask. They give me extremely fast information back, but you need to know what you can ask, what you can get, and what you can't get. That's key. I need to correct it. I need to teach it. It's not a human ability yet. And perhaps it will never be because it is always learning from something that is already there by somebody. Maybe you can find information faster, but at the end, you still need to make decisions yourself. And I asked it, this was in November, give me a no risk, high reward stock to buy now. What low risk value investing? Okay, he says, there is no true no risk high reward, but let's lower risk stocks. And what does he give me at the lower risk? Apple. Then he elaborates still on the risk and reward protection, all good there. And then Apple, because the market sees it as that the suggestions is there relatively safer stock at the price. But then again, if you look here down the sources, it's all sourced online. It doesn't have its own thinking. It just summarizes the general thinking. So it's a research tool, but 10x the potential there. Then if I ask, out of the top 10 copper producers, give me two with the lowest C1 cost. And these are the things I can always get the information available online. But when I look at things there, the information I really need is usually not available online. If I ask specific costs to fall, okay, then I would need to dig deeper and deeper. But when I look at the replies there, the sources of the replies, etc., I'm not really getting things that I think can add value and can give you the edge. Therefore, yes, great things that they discuss, but everything is there, everything is known, nothing is really added when it comes to these investments, for example. Therefore, keep in mind the value is not in the public, the value is in your own mindset. And yes, it's great to get an information on what's going on, what's cheap, what's the market thinking, because value investing, for example, is just 1% of whatever is out there, perhaps 0.1% of the content out there. And maybe it can help navigate to that, but to get the real value, it's not out there. So it's very hard for AI now, maybe one day it will, to really separate there. So for now, my job is safe. It's extremely enhanced by AI. It's faster, better information, better everything, much cheaper than hiring 20 people and working with them. 20 people, 20 headaches. No headaches with ChatGPT or Gemini. Yay! And then I ask them when you will be able to replicate what I have done. And they say no, because they can't think, cannot simulate decisions, cannot own them. So it will be always great to have additional AI usage information, but unpaid for judgment, selective inactivity, knowing when not to act, and that is something that AI can do and cannot develop scars. So capital allocation is a moral and strategic act, not just analysis. AI will replace these easy things, but not that. Therefore, it should increase the value of what I do, not decrease it. So, for now, I'm safe. I'll be using it more and more. I have to really apply myself because it can get better value. And as Charlie Munger did with Barron's, you use it for 60 years. If you get just one idea, you make a few hundred millions of it in your lifetime, and that's about it. Great for education, great to give me exactly what I want to present you quickly, therefore saves me a lot of time. I can do much more, but not in the decision making. Therefore, my job will also process more to the decision making part of it, which is also on my research platform. So, very interesting. Love the tools. Thank you. And we'll keep using them. I just wanted to be open on that. So that's, I hope, an additional value on the channel and on my research platform. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.